Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to display your first Java program. I already created a class Hello World in here, so we're gonna put the code that will run the program and display the text when it is finished. So first, what are we going to do? In able to run the program successfully, we need to put a method. And in order to run the method or to run the program, the program needs to find the so-called method main, because whenever you created a program that has no main method in it, the program will be confused on which method to run first, or let's say it will result in a compilation error. So in order to run a program, we need to put a main method first. So how are we going to do that? We need to put a static method main. So let's start it by creating the method public static void main. And inside the main, we need to put the string arguments. Now we already created the main method. So inside the main method, we will put our display message. How are we going to do that? Simply by calling the syntax system.out.println. System.out.println helps you run the program and displays whatever is inside in that code. So let's put system.out.println, and whatever it is the inside this println method will be printed outside the program once you run it. But remember to put a double quotation so that the println program, the println code read it as a message. Otherwise, it will read it as a variable. If we put it just there and just print it hello world, the program will not run unless it found the hello world variable, which we will tackle soon about the variables and the data types. But for now, let's just focus on printing a message. So always put a double quotation mark. And now, whatever is inside the double quotation mark will be printed exactly in the output when the program runs. So let's print our hello world in here. Hello world. Let's try to save it and let's run the program. So there it is. Whatever is printed inside this double quotation marks will be displayed in the output when the program runs. So in the next video, I will help you understand the other types of displaying a message, such as print and printf.